Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling WSL and the virtual machine platform. This gives Windows the Linux subsystem. Once done, run WSL install to get the base system. Make sure to restart when prompted. Next, set the default to version 2 with WSL set default version 2 because it gives better performance and full system call compatibility. Finally, install a distro like Ubuntu from the store or via WSL install Ubuntu, so you have a shell to configure and use immediately. You will now create your Linux user and password when the distro first starts. This secures your environment. Once inside, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade so tools are current. Then install essentials like build essential, curl, and git. For example, sudo apt install build essential git curl. Make sure to use /mnt/c for accessing Windows files, but avoid running heavy builds on mounted Windows paths. Keep projects in the Linux home for best speed. You finish by integrating development tools, install Docker Desktop, and enable the WSL2 backend, or install language runtimes inside the distro to keep things isolated. Use Windows Terminal for tabs and set your distro as the default profile to streamline workflows. Make sure to export SSH keys to /. SSH and test connectivity. If something breaks, restart the LXSS manager service. Run WSL update to refresh the kernel, and use WSL shutdown before retrying. This fixes most kernel or networking hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.